my name is Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I'm sharing with you my sparkly luxury bag collection of 2025. So let's get started first with this Speedy 30, the Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene Paillettes collection from 2013 guys. There you go. There's the tag there. I got this one, was it a couple years ago now? I had searched for this one for many years, and oh my gosh, I just love it. It came with the lock, the key, the clochette, and it also came with a dust bag, which is rare for these type of bags. And as you can see, it's the navy blue with the sewn in sequins, which are just, guys, I have used this bag so many times and there is not one sequence missing or out of place. And it's got the calfskin leather handles, which are buttery soft. And after I got this one, I had started looking for the wallet. I couldn't find it in the navy, but I found it in this Bordeaux, which I love. So I don't care if they're not the same color, guys. All I care about is that it's sparkly. So it is the zippy wallet, also from the same year, and it opens up to many card holders. You can put your cash right there. You can put your coins in the zippered pocket in the middle. And you can also just, you know what, I don't know, use it as a clutch. It looks stupid that way, but okay, there. You guys know what I mean. So let's see. Next, I have my baby Speedy, another bag that I looked for so long. I believe this one is, let's see. Oh, look, guys, I even have it locked here. I believe this one is 2009. Let's see what the tag says. I have it completely stuffed. Can you see the tag there? Oh my gosh, guys. There you go. This one is with also the calfskin leather handles. It comes with the luggage tag, which I still haven't had a chance to get hot stamped. And this one doesn't come with a key because as you see me open it, this part here locks into this little key lock here. So yes, it is just gorgeous. And I believe the background of the you can see it will have the LV if you look really close. And the background of the sequence is a boiled wool. I have read a couple different things, but I took this right from the Louis Vuitton book, and it says that it is wool. So let's see, might as well keep on with Louis Vuitton, right? You guys have seen this bag a million times, so I'll be real quick because I always blather about this one. My 2009 Eclipse Speedy 28. Very rare, guys. This is a 28. So yes, with the gorgeous, oh so soft, buttery soft calfskin double handles. It's got mixed metals with the silver disc, and it has enamel at the side. And then you've got the gold zipper pull that was inspired by the hotel room keys back in the day. And then this year I added to the collection by picking up the Pochette, which, oh my gosh, guys, again, this was a quarter of the price of the sequined bags that Louis Vuitton has launched this year. Granted, this one is smaller, but it's literally a quarter. I got it for a quarter of the price for what the new sequin bags are going for now. If I can find a photo, I will put it up. I just love the same details with the inspired hotel room key the same dual handle, and then of course all like the stud details. So my little Eclipse mini pochette. So my next bag is a sequin bag from Jimmy Choo, and it's just got such a gorgeous array of colors. But other than the sparkle and the sequins, my favorite is this gold tassel that is attached, and the gold, beautiful, beautiful gold chain. Now I have it completely stuffed to show you like this, but if I take out some of the stuffing here, and I do have to be careful with the zipper. It has a really nice satiny interior. And does it have pockets? No, no pockets. So there's another way to wear this bag. So that's kind of how it looks if you just have your, you know, phone, lipstick, and keys. But you can also put the chain through here, and you could, there we go. And you could wear it as a wristlet. So yeah, I really love this bonbon bag. It is also a very many years old bag, but it's just one of those perfect evening party celebration bag. Let's see, next guys. So not necessary luxury. I got this off Amazon a few years ago, but it was inspired by the Alexander Wang, I always get that mixed up guys, bag that was going for, I don't know, hundreds, thousands of dollars. So this is the Amazon version, which I brought this to Mazatlan, used it for like, I don't know, we had 3 New Year's, Christmas there. 3 or 4 times we were there for that holiday, and guys, not one sequin missing. So, and to me it looks like identical, except for probably the inside is probably leather or something, but you know, this is just fabric. But a perfect little sparkle bag for the holidays. You guys already seen my Fendi. If not, I'll just do that one real quick. My Fendi bag with the ombre, pink and purple. Again, the sequences are so well sewn in. I haven't lost one in all these years. I believe this is another bag I got in the 2000s, guys. The Fendi lock back in the day. I don't even know if they still have that. It's just a fabulous bag. The sequins do not go on the bottom, which is good. It has no feet, but you know what? That's okay. So, one of my favorite pink sparkly bags to use. So, let's see, guys. I think I have one more bag. And, oh my gosh. It is my, let me step back here. I don't know how close I've been this whole time, guys. My Versace. This bag's, I don't know, 10 years, 15 years old. It's quite old. This is metallic, it said on there metallic leather. I mean, it sure feels that way, guys. It sure feels that way. What caught my eye was, of course, you know, the sparkles, of course, but the Medusa, is that not gorgeous or what? And then the chunky chain handle. Oh my gosh, can I fit on my shoulder? Oh yeah, today I can. Must be having a skinny day. So no, but I would, this one would definitely be handheld. And it's a nice bag. It's, you know, it's got the lovely interior with the metallic gold and then all the black. Of course, the dust bag. It's got a little pocket in the front here. It's just a Just a beautiful, beautiful holiday bag to use. So that's it, guys, for my sparkly collection 2025. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. That would be also awesome. And I hope you guys are having a very, very Merry Christmas. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.